Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and visiting with me. Today I'm going to be sharing the unboxing of the Citrust twist kit for the month of August. And I've opened it, but I haven't really peeked inside because I kind of wanted to wait with you guys so that I could see what it entails. And the month the kit for this layout, it seems to be, is all about stories. Yeah. And this little card right here is like the introduction. You guys know, you see, unleash your inner storyteller. And it says there's no greater power on this earth than story. And it's by Liba Bray. Hopefully I pronounced that right. You guys know that I like to save these little cards, especially when they have an interesting quote that I like. I've used it in my scrap therapy book. I used it for this layout right here. And I just cut it, trimmed it, and then placed it in a frame. And so love to save these and use these as ephemera. So I have that. And then this, you get a little 3x4 stamp set. This one is True Stories. So basically, it's all about storytelling. Untold stories, stories of the past, no greater power than story. Stories, adventure story, candid moment. So basically, anything that has to do with stories being told. So that's the stamp set. You also get this little chipboard, 4x6, some puffy stickers. These colors are a bit bright, but try to use them some way, somehow. If you guys know that if I don't end up using it, then I pass it along to you guys for the next giveaway. And here's some foam alphabet stickers with a set of numbers in the back. And then we have the cutouts, which I'm gonna open. Honestly, I feel like I need to do better because I was editing a video the other day and my husband was like, oh my gosh, that cringiness of the plastic is like annoying. People that use headphones are not gonna like you. And I was like, yes, I get it, but I'm opening them, so you know what, I need to do something. But this is the cutout, so you have a few. Oh, look at that one. That one's super cute. It says, here comes the sun. It's perfect for summer. And then this is a one ticket for like a roller coaster. And then you just have random, I think these are like seaweed, like ocean stuff. And then you have a bunch of, I guess this is summer also. Summer, there's a few summery things here. But this is all the cutouts, you guys. Just a bunch of different shapes. Looks like ocean theme here. With that, yeah, there's a little whale here, so it's definitely ocean theme. And then you have a few pieces that are like summer related. So there you go. Dazed and confused. That's cute. And then just more pieces. Ice cream. Oh, that's a cute one for the ice cream. And I have the perfect picture for this. Oh my gosh, because look. Let me pull them out so you can see. Look at my daughter in her ice cream. And look at that. That would be perfect for that. This is, we took a trip to Baskin Robbins before COVID hit everything and closed everything. This was early this spring, late spring, early summer. I don't remember. It might have been just spring, but that's perfect for that. And that's all the ephemera, you guys. I know, right? I just kind of laid it out for you guys to see. I'm gonna put this away and get it organized. And then the 4x3 journal cards. These are double-sided. This one, take it outside, and then summer, summer, summer. This one, small happiness in daily life for journaling, and then just a sun imaged on that. The and then the little poem with some journaling space in there as well. Best memories, I love that yellow. And then we need each other. I prefer that yellow. Too good for words, and then the little butterfly for journaling. The flowers, which are the same, they actually cut out and made some ephemera for you. And then some journaling space in the back. Sweet sunshine, and then this blue, which I love, plus sign, and then up and atom, love this side, into the sun, and then the heart. So that is the journal cards for this month. And now we're gonna move on to the paper pack, which is perfect for my scrap therapy. So sorry about the paper noise. Now I'm so conscious because of what Michael said. But okay, so you get a 4x. Oh my gosh, I love this one. I just took a pic at it. Like, I literally lifted it and I was like, oh my gosh, that is so gorgeous. So this is the 4x6 journal cards, but honestly, you could definitely, if you want to, you could use this as the journal card, or you can individually cut the tickets to make it as ephemera. And then on the other side, it says good times create good feelings. And this one, my goodness, is so gorgeous. I'm gonna hoard it until the perfect project comes along. And then the other side is just grid squares, and the grid squares have like a rainbow effect in the color of the lines. Then you have, typical of these kits, I've noticed almost every kit that I've gotten from this company, you always get one little cutout where you can cut your own little labels. And you always get that piece. And then, oh my gosh, they did it. I love this. So this one says the real happy endings come after a story with lots of ups and downs. But, oh, I love this. Just because it's so pale and so like neutral colors and soft, I absolutely love that. So I'm definitely gonna hoard that or come up with a good project to use for that. So these are single-sided, and we have a set of numbers. These are 6x8. Splatter, ocean theme, some random design, some random just diamond shaped grids. You guys can see that. Sunflowers, stars, flowers, stripes. This looks like jeans fabric. This one and this one. So I'm telling you which ones I don't care for. There. So these I don't really care for because it's not like my style. But you guys know what I always do. I flip it over and use the blank canvas, or put them like this back to back so that I have a clean canvas to work with for either my scrapbook therapy book or my son's notebook that I'm working on, which is getting chunky also. Like, they're both getting chunky, but mine is chunkier. So these are perfect for that. And if I don't end up using them, you guys already know the routine. I'll just throw whatever I don't use back in the plastic it came with, or in the little pocket it came with, and I'll send it off to the next giveaway to sit in the box until the box gets full, so I can pass it along to you guys. So that is it for the Citrust kit unboxing for this month. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you so much, and I hope that you guys come back so that we can create a layout, whether it's for my scrap therapy, whether it's for a scrapbook or something, then we use the pieces out of it. I hope that you come back to see that. So thank you so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.